In this video I'm going to show you how to find people on OnlyFans. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Unfortunately, OnlyFans not allow users to search for another users, but there is a website where you can search OnlyFans users. So open up your web browser, go to google.com and in the search box enter OnlyFinder and then go to onlyfinder.com. There you can search for any user. You can, if you know the exact name of that user, or you can just type in any name to search for different persons with that name. And also here you can hit add more to search for accounts by location. You can just hit add world map, hit allow, and then you can just pitch the map to select some specific location, and after that you can get all users with that location. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.